Hello! Today I want to tell you guys a little bit about Focus Bracket. It's an app made for Sony cameras that allows you to bracket your focus. It's mostly useful for macro and landscape photography, but really you can find uses for it anywhere. Focus Bracket can be installed through the Open Memories framework. If you're not familiar with that, I've got a link below. Just click on it and go through, read a little bit to find out what it's all about. But simply, it allows you to install third-party applications on your Sony camera. The Focus Bracket app is awesome for focus bracketing. It takes a lot of the legwork out of it so that you don't have to manually focus each individual step along the way. To open the app, you'll want to navigate to your menu and then find the applications list. It's on that fourth tab from the left. Then within the list, find the Focus Bracket app. Once you open the app, you'll be presented with a screen that tells you to set the minimum focus distance. So moving your lens, find the focus distance that you want as the minimum, then you hit the middle button, and then you move your lens to the maximum focusing distance and hit the middle button again. If you look on the bottom, you can see the focus magnifier bar. Then you choose how many pictures you want it to take between your minimum and maximum focusing distance. Obviously, the more pictures you take, the better focus stacking you'll get. I just chose 12 and then hit the middle button to start. Here you can see it take the first picture and then the next and the next. Let's speed this up just a little bit. For each picture that the app takes, it moves the focus slightly and then takes the picture. That way you get focus at each different point throughout the range from your minimum to your maximum. When it is done, it tells you that it's done. It doesn't do any of the processing in camera, so you're going to have to do that by yourself on the computer. On my computer, I use an app called Helicon Focus to process the images. As you can see, I've got the different images with the focus point at a different position. Down here, you can change a few of the settings and the methods it uses to do the actual focus stacking to combine all your images into one. I hit the render button and it's processing through the images right now. You can see that there's some slight focus breathing with my lens. On the left, we've got the first of our 12 image series, and then on the right, we have the stacked image. As you can see, it's a lot sharper on the right image. It takes the in-focus portion of each image and slices them together to create one image where everything is in focus. And here is the finished image. Looks sharp across the frame. I borrowed my wife's ring and tried some fun macro photography shots with it. This is the first image in this series. I hit the render button and you can see it progress through each image. Each image has a different focus point, and that's how we're able to get it sharp across the frame in the final resulting image. I'm going to speed up the process just a little bit. And here we have the final result. I selected on the left an image that has the majority of the ring in focus, and on the right we have the stacked image that was created from all of the images. So that you can more clearly see the differences, here's that left image blown up, and now the stacked image. You can see it has a lot finer detail throughout the ring. Here's one more side-by-side of another shot I took. On the left, yet again, we have a single image that has a portion in focus, and then on the right, we have the image that has all of the stacked images, and so the majority of the ring is in focus. Overall, I think Focus Bracket is a pretty good app. It was a lot of fun to play around with macro photography, and I'm certainly going to do more in the future. I haven't had a good chance to use this for landscape photography yet, but I hope to in the near future. If you use this app or have any suggestions, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.